Peace and blessing, peace and blessing. It's your man Larry Williams, Mr. T in my generation, with another great, insightful video about one of my ebooks that you can be able to check out and purchase if you need any insights on when it comes down to your credit. I know a lot of people go around and I see people paying hundreds and thousands of dollars for people to fix their credit. And there's nothing wrong with that. Some people don't want to learn how to fix their credit. They'll rather give their information to somebody and let them do it, not knowing if the person is actually fixing their credit or they just wasting their time and making them pay hundreds and hundreds of dollars every single month just to get their credit fixed, right? So for me, I was able to create a credit repair ebook that's only $44, right? That will give you 42 pages of absolute value. That's only for those who want to learn how to fix their credit themselves, right? Like some people don't know the difference between a credit card and a debit card, right? Now I'm gonna ask you a question. Have you ever seen somebody going to go get their debit fixed? Or have you always seen somebody go get their credit fixed? So those of you that say credit, okay, you done seen the credit card, you done seen people fix their credit. Those of you that said debit, why you ain't never heard somebody go get their debit fixed? So why would you use a debit card? That's up to you. Credit cards and debit cards have different benefits depending on the person, but it's up to you to educate yourself on that, not nobody else, because some people just take people's word for it. So with me, I'd rather learn, because look at the word learn. Take the L off. There you go, right? Even if I did have somebody fix my credit later on, say if I ain't feel like doing it myself or whatever, I ain't feel like doing all that. If I had this credit ebook that you will see more information on in the descriptions, if I had this credit repair ebook, I already know what they doing or what they not doing based on the information I already learned. I know what to utilize, how much not to utilize every single month, right? I'll be able to know that if I make 2 to 3 payments before the due date, that can be counted as 2 to 3 payments, different type of payments to help my credit score go up. I will learn that, right? But that's only for people that want to go ahead and fix their credit right now versus waiting for other people to do it. We have to get comfortable with doing things ourselves as well as letting people do things for us. But we need to educate ourselves, in my personal opinion. We need to educate ourselves on things before we let people go do it, right? Because, okay, let me give you an example. You can have a whole bunch of money and you can go get a whole bunch of properties. You can go get a whole bunch of property managers, right? But if you never knew what it was to be a property manager or what to look out for, how you know them people ain't robbing you blind? You wouldn't know. So it's best for you to learn how to be a property manager or learn the logistics of a property manager before you go just hire people to go be a property manager. Same way when they feel like when it comes down to credit. You need this ebook to be able to help you, not only just to see if somebody taking money from your pockets, but to just educate yourself. And think about it this way. If you purchase this ebook right now, you can help your family. You can share this ebook with your whole family. You can have your whole family getting, benefits of what you provided for them for only $44, right? So at the end of the day, let's continue to learn how to grow. Not looking for everybody to do things for us, because we got YouTube, we got Google. You have, even if you don't buy my ebook in the descriptions, it's other ebooks and people out here to help you grow. You just have to decide which person you want to go with. Like, prime example, you go to the grocery store. You go to the bread aisle. It ain't just one bread right there. It's a whole bunch of bread, right? And what makes you buy the bread that you buy? The packaging, the marketing, the labels, the words, the ingredients. That's what makes you want to purchase. Same way when it comes down to this. I appreciate everybody who have purchased the credit repair ebook and who have went on to really grow their credit, or even some people have started their own credit business based on the information they learned from this book. So either way, I'm just proud to share information Anybody that know me, you've seen any of my other videos. I love sharing information with people. And if you're watching this video right now, it may not be for you. You may end up know some people that, man, I want to fix my credit, whatever. You may send this video to them just sharing. Sharing is caring. And you can be able to put them in position to be able to fix their credit themselves. So I hope you found value in this video. Please check out the descriptions for more information. I'll talk to you soon. Let's grow.